The market theme global cues have improved as inflation pressures have eased, but Nifty bulls still need to prove themselves. Our call of the day: Wall Street's record high provides a positive tailwind, but persistent Hormuz uncertainty could keep Dalal Street's Friday's trade cautious and stock-specific. The three positive catalysts. 1. US producer inflation comes in softer. Annual US PPI eased sharply to 4.7% from 5.5%, strengthening expectations that the Federal Reserve may keep rates unchanged in September. 2. Brent crude slipped towards $87, while WTI fell below $81 after US inventories surged by 17.4 million barrels. 3. DIIs continue to defend the market. Bottom-line relief is visible, but confirmation is missing. The biggest domestic concern: banks face fresh margin pressure. Banking stocks weakened after the RBI's proposed loan pricing changes raised concerns over reduced pricing flexibility and pressure on lending margins. Bank Nifty's inability to sustain Wednesday's rebound suggests that the financial sector remains vulnerable. The biggest global risk: Hormuz remains the wildcard. Vessel traffic through the Strait of Hormuz has fallen to a 3-week low. Deadlocked US-Iran negotiations mean any escalation could quickly reverse the decline in oil prices. Long story short, Nifty must first reclaim 24,584 before the bulls can breathe comfortably. The road towards 25,000 will reopen only after a decisive close above 24,774. Market trend dashboard. Global cues, mildly positive. FII activity, minus 511 rupees crore. DII activity, plus 353 crore. Overall sentiment, cautious. Market breadth, neutral. Nifty's technical setup, consolidation with choppy action. Broad Fano zone, 23,500 to 25,000. USD INR, around 95 rupees and 46 paise. Volatility and derivatives. India VIX, 11.41, minus 2.4%. Expiry, 25th August 2026. Options bias, defensive positioning persists despite volatility. Nifty PCR, 1.01. Bank Nifty PCR, 0.86. FI Nifty PCR, 0.54. Midcap Nifty PCR, 1.05. Nifty outlook: relief rally possible, avoid aggressive premature aggression. The Gyan mantra is simple: focus on earnings-backed stocks, maintain strict stop losses and turn aggressively bullish only above Nifty 24,774. What technicals tell us about Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty? Nifty, 24,396. Make or break support, 24,249. Resistance, 24,584 by 24,774. Only a decisive close above 24,774 would revive the journey towards 25,000. Expected range, 24,300 to 24,600. Bias, cautiously bullish. 21 DMA to 4310. 50 DMA to 4065. 200 DMA to 4738. Sensex, 78,080. Support, 77,700 by 77,300. Resistance, 78,542 by 79,367. Expected range, 77,600 to 78,600. Bias, cautiously bullish. 21 DMA, 77775. 50 DMA, 76972. 200 DMA, 79899. Bank Nifty, 57,635. Make or break support, 56,700. Major resistance, 58,706. Expected range, 57,200 to 58,000. Bias, neutral to cautiously bearish. 21 DMA, 575 to 9. 50 DMA, 57 to 72. 200 DMA, 57476. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty declined 40 points to 24,396, extending losses for the third consecutive session. Meanwhile, Sensex gained 114 points to 78,080, reflecting continued divergence under the closing auction session mechanism. Bank Nifty slipped 251 points to 57,635 as concerns over the RBI's proposed loan pricing framework weighed on financial stocks. Sectors likely to outperform: defense, realty, pharmaceuticals. Sectors likely to underperform: banking and financial services, information technology. Stocks to watch: positive bias. Solar industries, revenue surged 70%, while quarterly profit nearly doubled. Strong execution and defense demand remain key catalysts. LG Electronics India, Q1 profit rose 27%, supported by robust demand for air conditioners and refrigerators. Full-year growth guidance retained. Lenskart Solutions, PAT surged 240% and revenue grew 43%. MSCI inclusion could attract approximately $352 million. Laurus Labs, Adani Energy Solutions and Grow, inclusion in the MSCI Global Standard Index could support passive institutional buying. Eternal, Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports, higher MSCI weightings remain a positive near-term catalyst. Negative bias. Tata Motors passenger vehicles, PAT plunged 80%, EBITDA declined 17% and margins contracted sharply, an operationally weak quarter. Premier Explosives, PAT declined approximately 80%, accompanied by lower revenue and significant margin compression. Reliance Industries and Jio Financial, reduced MSCI weights may trigger near-term passive outflows. Q1 FY27 earnings to trickle in Friday, 14th August, 2026. Ashok Leyland, Alkem Laboratories, Tube Investments of India, Bharat Dynamics, Voltas, 3M India, Patanjali Foods, Schneider Electric, PTC Industries, Kingfa Science and Technology, India, Knowledge Marine and Engineering Works, Ahluwalia Contracts, India.